Hello everyone and happy Mother's Day this 2021. In celebration of today's special event, we are going to unbox DC Bombshells Cheetah. So let's go! Okay, so we are looking at DC Bombshells Cheetah, and as you can see, this particular statue is numbered limited edition or edition numerote limite. I think I murdered the pronunciation of that one. So anyway, let's take a look at the back. So this is Cheetah. You can see her in a safari-like outfit. Okay, so I think in the DC Bombshells comics, she is the antagonist for Hawk Girl and Vixen in the African front of the war. So this is her. Okay, side of the box view of the statue, and then at the back of the box we have here collect them all. We already have the statue of Joker and Harley Quinn. We still don't have the Killer Frost, so we are hoping to get her in another purchase. And then this is the comics version of Cheetah. Okay, so as you know, the DC Bombshells are alternate variants of your usual DC characters. So in this case, Cheetah doesn't have her usual tail, but it's substituted with a scarf around her waist. Okay, with the cheetah pattern. Okay, so I think in the DC Bombshell comics, she had control of this robot cheetah god something. Okay, which of course, just like any antagonist, she was thwarted. Her plans were thwarted by the Bombshells. Okay, so measures approximately 10.7 inches high. Okay, so designed by Aunt Lucia, okay, and sculpted by Sam Greenwell. So good job to them, shout out to them as always. Okay, and all characters here, their distinctive likeness and related elements are trademarks of and copyrighted by DC Comics Series 16, 2016. Okay, and that's the barcode. So without further ado, let us see Cheetah. So this particular statue I purchased online because nobody's really selling this in the Philippines. So I have to do it online. Okay. I think I purchased this 2020, but it only arrived last month. So it's untaped, so it's not sealed. Okay, I think it's a pre-owned item, or perhaps the seller checked the status of the statue, okay, whether it's in condition. So there seems to be an oil here, but that's fine. Let's see. Okay, so perfectly covered in styrofoam. Okay, there's no top or bottom, so let's just open it. Oops, that seems to be the bottom part. There we go. And we have Cheetah and all her parts. Okay, so this usually comes in 3 major parts. The first one is the base, okay, which we can see here. This is the base, the standard base for this DC Bombshell statues. So for this one, it's the 2,545th of 5,200 released, manufactured in China. Everything's made by China. So this is the base with the pegs for the statue. So that's the first part. And then the second part is the nameplate. So the nameplate is here. So you can see Cheetah nameplate. Okay, so the lighting is a bit dark. So this is magnetized and it fits perfectly here in the base plate. Okay. And then of course the main figure itself, okay, or herself, I should say, is Cheetah. So let's carefully take out her out of the plastic and then put this on the side so we can have a close look at Cheetah. So this is Cheetah. So you can see she is in perfect condition. She has is this something that can be moved? Yeah. Is this the lasso of Wonder Woman? The lasso of truth? Okay. So I don't know. It might just be like a rope. Okay. And then this might just be a rope. Okay, so we can see her. I like the flow of the scarf. Okay, so we'll put her on the base. Okay, so for these things, you should not really force it. Just let it naturally slide onto the base, like so. And there you go. We have our statue. So again, take a look at that facial expression. Okay, so the picture in the box at times doesn't give them justice. Okay, so of how beautiful the sculpt is. So this one, she has a very awkward frown, I guess. Okay, she's holding her head. I don't know why. She's taking a picture, I think, taking an evidence of the dig site, okay, in the storyline. Okay. Anyway, so we will look at her in complete details in the next part before we put her into the cabinet. Okay, so this is Cheetah 360 degrees view, and as you can see, she is an amazing figure. So I'm really liking the earth tone safari dress. Okay, it contrasts really well with her red hair, fiery hair. And really that waist band cheetah design is a highlight of the figure. Okay, and it really is a good alternate representation for her tail as the cheetah. Okay, so I really don't have a lot of villains in my DC Bombshells right now. So she is definitely a welcome addition to the collection. So again, thank you very much everyone for watching until the end. If you like what you see, please press the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please do so if you want to. And then leave your comments. What can you say about this statue? Okay, do you think they could have improved any part of this statue? For me, again, any bombshell is perfect. Okay, so before I go, as I said, today is Mother's Day 2021. So shout out to my mom, Dolores Alantaga. Happy Mother's Day. I love you. And everyone, I'll see you in the next unboxing video.